Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe your Netflix application isn't working, or maybe your Hulu application isn't working. How do you actually get it to factory reset your TV and see if that'll be the solution to fixing these apps? Now the way to do this is that if you go all the way to the left, and then click on settings. Your TV might look different from mine just because it's a different model, but essentially what you want to do is that you want to go into your settings and then find this general tab that you see right over here. Next, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says reset. So it's this bottom button right over here. And notice how the prompt says that all the settings will return to factory defaults. So this is going to reset it, so it's going to remove any downloaded apps that you've had, but it will probably keep like the default apps like Prime Video and Netflix and Rakuten TV. But once you click on this button, it's going to restore your TV to factory defaults. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.